Welcome to Simple Daily English. Hi, I'm Lily. I am usually a very calm person. I like to take my time. I like to read the labels on food. But tonight is different. Tonight is a mission. My friend Max and I realized at 9:40 p.m. that we have no food for our big weekend hike. The supermarket closes at 10 p.m. We have exactly 20 minutes to buy everything on our list. It is a race against the clock. This is the story of the fastest shopping trip in history.
Okay, Lily. This is it. We have 15 minutes before the store closes.
15 minutes? That is not a lot of time for 30 items, Max.
I know. It is like a race. We need a strategy. We need a plan.
You are right. Let's divide and conquer. Give me half of the list.
Good idea. Hang on. Let me tear the paper in half.
Be careful. Don't rip the words. What do I have?
You have the dairy, the vegetables, and the snacks.
Okay. And you?
I have the bread, the meat, and the drinks.
Perfect. Where should we meet?
We meet at the cash desk at 9:59 p.m. Not a second later.
Understood. Mission accepted. See you at the finish line. Okay, Lily. Focus. Dairy is in the back. Vegetables are on the left. Carrots, check. Potatoes, check. Oh no, these tomatoes look a bit soft.
No time for quality control, Lily. Just grab them.
You're right. It's not a big deal. They are for sandwiches anyway. Milk. Where is the oat milk? Max likes oat milk. Got it. Now, the cheese. Cheddar and brie. Max, they are out of brie.
Get the camembert. It's basically the same thing. Do the math, Lily. We only have 8 minutes left.
Good point. Camembert it is. Whoops. Sorry, cereal. Snacks. I need energy bars and nuts. Chocolate, peanut butter, strawberry, doesn't matter. I'll handle it. I'll get the variety pack.
6 liters of water. That is heavy. Why do we drink so much water? 5 minutes. We are running late. I still need the bread. Oh no, no bread. This is a disaster. Excuse me, do you have any whole wheat bread left?
Sorry, sir. We are closing in 4 minutes. Everything is gone.
Okay. What about those sourdough rolls?
You can have the last 4 for half price.
I'll take them. Thank you. You are a lifesaver. Lily, do you have the nuts?
I have the peanuts, but I can't find the almonds.
Skip the almonds. We have enough food. Run to the front.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
You two are in a hurry.
Just a small hiking trip tomorrow.
We made it. Look at the clock, Lily.
9:59 p.m. We have 1 minute to spare.
Mission accomplished.
My heart is beating so fast. That was more exercise than the actual hike will be.
That's a lot of energy bars. Are you climbing Mount Everest?
It feels like it tonight.
Thank you for staying open. We really appreciate it.
No problem. Just don't forget your receipt.
Oh, Lily?
Yes, Max?
I think I left my credit card in the car.
Max, you are joking.
I'm not. I was in such a rush.
Don't worry. I'll handle it. I have my card right here.
You really are the organized one. I'll pay you back tonight.
It's fine, Max. It's part of the challenge.
We are officially the last customers.
Let's get out of here before they make us clean the floors.
You know, Lily, that was actually fun.
Fun? My legs are tired and I am sweating.
But we did it. We got everything on the list.
Except the almonds.
We have peanuts. Do the math, Lily. Peanuts plus sourdough plus cheese equals a great lunch.
You are right. It is a perfect list.
So, what time are we leaving tomorrow?
6 a.m.
6 a.m.? Hang on. That means I have to wake up at 5 a.m.?
Yes, Max. And if you are late, I am leaving without you.
I'll be ready. I'll put my shoes by the door tonight. Both of them.
Good. Now, let's go home and get some sleep. We earned it.
Can I have one of the energy bars now?
Only if you give me a sourdough roll.
Deal?
Friends, let's review the vocabulary from today's adventure.
Hang on. A casual way to say wait a moment.
It's not a big deal. Used to say that a situation is not serious or important.
Running late? A common phrase used when you are behind your planned schedule.
I'll handle it. A way to offer help and take responsibility for a task.
Do the math. A playful way to show that a solution is logical or simple.
We are in a rush. To describe when you are moving very fast because you don't have much time.
Let's split up. To suggest that two people go in different directions to finish a task faster.
I've got everything on the list. A phrase used when you have successfully found all the items you needed to buy.
The clock is ticking. An idiom used to say that time is passing quickly and you must hurry.
That was a close call. To describe a situation where you almost failed or almost had an accident, but everything turned out okay.